Hello everyone, so let me get started. Today I will talk about IELTS speaking task frame. Here you can see on the screen. Let me make it bigger if it's not visible. Here part 1, part 2, part like here in part 1 3 questions and part 2 like cue card and part 3 and some questions for discussion. So yeah, let's get started. I will try to give my response and say like what will be my grade and my band score, all these things. So if ready, let's get started. You can ask your questions in the comment and subscribe and like. Let's get started. Yes, I'll talk about my work and study experiences. In terms of study, I completed my bachelor in linguistics and I got my master's and teaching English to the speaker of other languages. And yeah, it's for the work I've been working at university teaching English for the past 3 years. So did I answer this one? Mhm. So I chose to study linguistics, teaching English because I was always interested in technology. There's not technology, but using the technology, of course, in linguistics and teaching English. And I earlier understood the importance of, languages, particularly in English, shaping the world. And I also believe that English plays significant role in shaping the future, and I also want to be part of this exciting field. As for my job, I applied for the teaching position because it aligned with my background in education, and I just wanted to gain some experience as well. So yeah, so the next question, right? Why? I guess I didn't. Yeah, I answered this question, and next one. Well, I can answer this question, but still, okay. My background and the study is mostly focused on linguistics, teaching English to speakers of other languages, and I followed this direction, this field because uh, it was something that I believe that language, particularly English, gives the power to, make a significant changes, impact on the, lives of people. And yeah, that was something I just wanted to do. Let's continue. So my hometown is in Uzbekistan, Tashkent, which is a capital city of Uzbekistan. Yeah, it's not no need for longer response. Wow, this is a difficult one. What I like most about my hometown is natural beauty. It's surrounded by mountains and forests. There are many hiking trails and different spots to explore. The city also has a rich cultural heritage with many historical sites and museums to visit. So, next question, let me go. Wow, here we go. And one of the biggest challenge my hometown faces is a lack of economical development. The city is relatively, isolated, and there are not many jobs. The jobs are limited, and opportunities and infrastructure compared to larger big cities. This also led to, brain drain, and where many young people leave the city in search of better opportunities elsewhere. So next question. I answered this question. Wow. I usually celebrate my birthday by spending time with my family and close friends. I usually go out for a nice dinner and then do something fun like watching a movie or playing a board game, which is fun for me. Oh my god. So my most memorable birthday was when I was turned 25. My friends threw me a surprise party and we went out to a karaoke. On one hand, I'm grateful for want to achieve in my life. Overall, I yeah. So I will be having this topic. So let me see. But let me see what will be my cue card. Yeah, it will be about games. Good. So it's here like yes, there's a little bit of problem. No, it will be about the house. The house you know well about. It's not this things. So yeah, it will be about house. So now I will have 2 minutes. Let me. Yeah, let's see. Like I have. So I should. Countryside is two-story brick house with a red tiled roof surrounded by a large to sit and relax on sunny afternoons. The windows on both floors have colorful curtains and there are flower boxes. Inside the house is cozy and comfortable, with wooden floors and traditional furniture. The living room has a fireplace where we often gather and to spend time together on cold winter evenings. The kitchen is spacious and well equipped, with a large wooden table where we enjoy family meals. My grandparents live there along with my aunt and uncle, who helps to take care of them. They they have lived in that house. They used to live, and they lived in the house like over 50 years. I guess maybe 60. Many happy memories for all the families. And I know this house well because I have visited my grandparents many times over the years. As a kid, I used to spend my summer days, even weeks there, exploring the countryside and playing with my cousins in the garden. As I got older, I continued to visit for family gatherings and special occasions. This house holds a special place in my heart because the happy memories I have created there with my family. It's a place of warmth, comfort, and love, and I feel grateful to have it as a part of my family. So let's get going. Yeah, I said, and now let's go. Again, it's not electronics, it was house. This is my mistake. Sorry about that. So sorry about this, but yeah, it's about house. I mixed it up. So let's go with the houses, right? And yeah, I answered this question of houses. Okay, living in an apartment has both advantages and disadvantages. Some advantages include that apartments are usually cheaper than house that requires less maintenance, and they also often located in convenient areas close to shops, restaurants, and public transportation. On the other hand, apartment can be noisy, lack of privacy, which way you say, and can space, and the space can be limited, especially for families with lots of kids, children. So yeah, uh, apartments differ from houses in several ways. In terms of design, apartments are usually smaller and have less outdoor space or not at all. If we do not include like balcony, in some houses there are not balconies as well. Facilities such as parking, laundry, and security are often shared among residents. I mean, laundry, not in 21st century, of course. Cost-wise, apartments are generally more affordable than houses, but it can vary depending on the location and amenities provided. I answer this question. Wow. And when choosing an apartment, people consider factors such as location, cost, size, amenities, and proximity to work, study. They may also look for features such as natural light, privacy, and safe and secure environment. hmm So apartments can reflect the culture and the lifestyle of a country or city in several ways. For example, apartments in some cultures may have more communal reflection and a culture of socializing in communities. They design and decor of apartments. They all can also reflect cultural values and other things. So and building more apartments in urban areas, cities can have both positive and negative impacts. On the one hand, it can increase housing availability and affordability, reduce commuting times, and encourage more sustainable living. On the other hand, it can lead to overcrowding, increased pollution, and traffic congestions, and loss of green spaces. Well, in the future, apartments may incorporate more advanced technologies to improve sustainability and accessibility. Features such as smart home system, energy efficiency, appliance, and shared electric vehicles may become more common. Developers may also focus on creating more sustainable and eco-friendly buildings, using materials that reduce carbon footprints and promoting sustainable lifestyles among residents. So thank you very much. This was it. I mean, it wasn't like I expected. I hope it, but for now, this is like kinda like not bad, right? But I hope I will try to make it better. So this is the speaking frame, how it usually look like in examiner's hand, but they may have a couple of different questions depending on how you respond, or they also make up questions. Thank you very much, and if you like, give me $100. Just kidding. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.